Hello, you guys. Perfect. Now we're in the holiday spirit. Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. You guys might see that my hair is new, or I have a new hair color at least. For those of you that follow my Vlogmas this year, I showed you guys that my hair turned green. So yeah, if you guys are interested in my Vlogmas, just want to see when I dye my hair and what color it is, then go and check out my Vlogmas. Today I'm so excited because I am going to my mom's place and we are gonna do some Christmas baking, which is perfect as today we are going to do a makeup look. Christmas makeup look, I should say. And this video is in collaboration with The Body Shop. You guys know I have collaborated with them this entire year, last year, and the year before that as well. I love them so much. They are 100% cruelty free, as you guys know, and I have so many of their news in front of me. So let's just get started and create a very holiday Christmassy makeup look. We are gonna start off with a brand new product for this year, and this is the Illuminating Drops of Gold, and I'm actually gonna use this before I go in with foundation or my base, and I'm gonna layer this pretty much everywhere. And this is so nice to layer on top of the base as well, obviously. But as this is a little bit too dark for me right now to use as highlighter, I will use it as almost like a primer. And then for the Fresh Nude Foundation in Bora Bora that I absolutely love, I'm just gonna layer this on top and apply it with a sponge. Do you feel any Christmas spirit yet? Because I felt it a few days ago when we actually had snow here in Stockholm, but now it's gone and it's rainy, and my Christmas spirit is all gone. Although I think that I will get some back today when I'm Christmas baking with my mom and two sisters. I'm actually really excited about it, and yes, I am vlogging that obviously, as I'm vlogging the entire month. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of concealer, a little bit. And then I'm just gonna let the concealer be and dry a little bit, therefore it will give me more coverage. It might sound weird, but it's true. And while I do that, I'm gonna go in with the Honey Bronze Universal Bronzing Balm. I was obsessed with this last year and I feel like let's bring it back. I'm just gonna use the sponge again, and I'm gonna dot this on the sides of my face just to warm up a little bit, and it gives such a nice glow. I mean, look at that. That was so easy. Even if you're not like a makeup pro, you cannot fail with this. And then a little bit on the tip of my nose. Now blend out the concealer. And then for some powder, I'm not gonna use a lot of it, just a little bit to set most of my face. So I was trying to find my contour kit from The Body Shop where it has a blush in it, but I cannot find it. So I'm just gonna add the number 6 all-in-one chic color. A little bit. And then I'm actually gonna go in with the Paint in Color eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go in with this little color as highlight. They have a new highlighter, but if you guys saw my last video, I broke it. So this will have to do at least today until I get a new one. Cupid's bow, chin, and my nose. Before we do anything else, I'm gonna shower myself in some setting spray and this dewy glow spray. I've been so obsessed with using setting sprays nowadays, and I haven't really ever been, but now I just love it. I use it like way too much, as you guys may see now. And I'm just gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna add some of this. Can we talk about the glow that I have right now? I mean, what? I need to start doing the liquid illuminator every single day. Okay, now for brows, I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade of the brow and liner kit. And I'm probably going to use mostly the black one as my hair is so dark right now. I'm just gonna fill that in like I would usually do, maybe a little bit bushier. I like to drag a line right underneath here. And then just drag the color up. Now for the eyes, I actually saw Elisa Marie, this beautiful makeup look, today on her Insta story, and I fell in love. So I thought, let's recreate this. Also, as we have the star stamp, I mean, this is probably made with the star stamp. So we need to create a very white eye look. And to do that, I'm gonna go in with the matte kajal, and I'm probably just gonna warm it up first on my hand here and just dot it on. Let's go ahead and put it on all the way up to my brows. And I'm also gonna use it underneath, of course. And this is just for the base, and then we're gonna go in with an eyeshadow, of course. And then before it creases, I'm gonna go in with one of their single eyeshadows. This is a palette that I've made myself, and I'm gonna go in with this, and that is the 101. I'm just gonna layer this all over my eyes. I look absolutely insane. Okay, now I think we're just gonna go straight in with the Star Stamp Liner, the star of all of the shows. This is my favorite product, I would say, like, of all time, because it's just so much fun, and I've never really seen anything like this. For those of you that have not seen it, it is just a stamp that makes, oops, stars. That easy. And on the other side, it is a really great eyeliner. So it's like the perfect product. This might look really weird, but I'm feeling it. So I'm just gonna pop on some lashes, and then I'm gonna go in with my favorite Happy Go Lash mascara, and then I will be right back. I was planning on going for a red as it is Christmas, but I did just get these new matte lip butters from the One Shop, so I thought that I could try some of them because they look really, really nice. Let's try out this one first. This is Kobe Orchid. I mean, oh, these smell so good. Maybe a little bit too light for this eye look, I think, but really, really pretty. Then let's try Boston Astilbe. I mean, the names of these, I have no idea. Ooh, also a really nice shade, actually. This was really pretty with this look. But I do want to try the others. The third shade is called Cape Calla Lily. Okay, the messiest application ever, I know, but this is how it looks, like a really nice brownish nude. This is Mumbai Gladulus? I don't know. It looks so nice. I'm gonna say this is the lip shade that we are going with because it is so pretty and looks so Christmassy and holiday-esque. Now I am taking this off and I'm gonna fix my hair a little bit, and then I will be back with the finished result. And here is the result. I am so excited about this. This is the first time that I'm trying out this lipstick and I am in love with it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this look, and if you do recreate it, please let me know. Tag me on Instagram. Obviously this is not like, this is also inspired by Elisa Marie, but still tag us both, I guess. That is it for me. Thank you The Body Shop for collaborating with me in this video. You guys know how much I love The Body Shop, and all of these products that I am using are amazing. So if you guys haven't tried the Body Shop's makeup, go and check it out because it's so good. And the products that I've used today are my absolute favorites. The lipsticks are like a dream, and Star Step, hello. Okay, so that is it. I am now off to my mother and we are going to bake some Christmas cookies and stuff like that. I'm super excited. If you guys are interested in seeing that, I will have it on my vlog, so go and check out my vlogmas if you guys are interested. Alright, so that is it. Have a great day and hope that we will see each other in my next video. Bye guys.